Y'all, we're getting ready for a trip. We're going on the cruise to Alaska, and so I'm getting my stuff ready. Some of y'all may follow me. You may know I'm kind of a minimalist packer, so I got out all my bottles because I'm getting ready to pack my personal care items. Now look, some of my personal care items come in big things, and I don't want to take a big thing, so that's what all this is about. Honey, we're putting in our shampoo because I don't use just any shampoo. It's got to be paraben free, silicone free, all the good stuff. And then I'll label it. So I'm going to put it right over here in front of what it was. This is our shampoo, and I have a big thing of shave cream. I don't go anywhere without this shave cream. It only takes me a little bit of this stuff because a little bit goes a long way because this is a super concentrated product, but this is how I roll. And then there's a whole bunch of things that I already have that come in small things already. Look at here. This is my soothing stick. We're going to Alaska. We're probably going to get bug bits, and this has lavender, peppermint, tea tree, and juniper in it. That's going to keep the bug bites at bay. Here's our honey lip butter. I ain't going to be getting chapped out on that boat because we're also going on a fishing excursion. This is our roll-on resistance. Of course I'm packing my roll-on resistance because we're going to be on a boat with thousands of people, y'all. There are going to be germs all over. And we cannot forget our magnesium lotion because we're not going to be having leg cramps. Now, I do need to go ahead and pack a smaller bottle of our Copacom because y'all know anxiety may be up and we're going to be doing a lot of exercises. The cramps may be there. So pain and anxiety, but this is how I pack. This is what I do. How do you pack? Tell me.